Growing up in the vibrant Zulu culture of South Africa, I learned the power of storytelling through dance and music. Our traditional attire, like the colorful beadwork and intricate patterns, reflect our rich heritage. You're welcome to my channel, Zulu Queens, where you would find the beauty of African Zulu paradise. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment and share for more videos. The Zulu people are known for their strong sense of community and respect for elders. From the energetic rhythms of the drum to the graceful movements of the dance, every aspect of our culture embodies unity and celebration. Embracing the Zulu way of life has taught me the importance of tradition and the beauty of diversity. Native to South Africa, the Zulu tribe has many rituals that have been passed from generation to generation over time. Dancing is one of the most common types of community rituals, and it is incorporated into most Zulu ceremonies. Zulu dances are signs of happiness, and they occur when any significant event takes place. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment and share for more videos, where you would find the beauty of African Zulu paradise.